Okay, so today we are looking at another question. It's still a problem on logarithm, and it states given that y is equals to log x cubed to base a and z is equals to log a to base x, show that yz is equals to 3. Hence, find the numerical value of y and z when log 3 to log 3 log x to base a all to the base of log a minus log a to base x all to the base of log a is equals to log 27 to base a. So let's get started. Solution. So I'm going to start this problem. The question says that show that yz is equals to 3. So let's get started. So we have been given our y. So I'm going to copy that, paste it in here. My z as so now yz equals to log a all cubed bracket log a log. So that's our yz. Now we need to understand certain things in the law of logarithm, and that's what we yz is equals to 3 log x cubed log. So we have the what we have just applied there. If you are given any log, if you are given log, let's say a x to the power of n is the same thing as n log x y. So that's what we have applied to this. The concept, this 3 here has come to the back here. So this is what we now have. That's the concept of what we have just applied, this concept. Now once we are done, now there's another law of logarithm, and that law is that we want to change the base. We want to change the base to a neutral base. Let's say we are given log x y. We want to change the base to a neutral base. So we have log, let's say the neutral base is n. So this log is also applicable when we are changing bases. So let me write it here so that you will see what we are writing. Changing bases. Changing bases. So this is what we are applying. So we want to change this base. This is 3 in bracket. So I'm going to change the base now to a neutral base. Log so we are done with that. So the other one, so what we have just applied is changing of base. So I assume that you already know some of these laws. If you don't know these laws, try and go over them. Try and go over a note, or maybe I will take time and write out the various laws of logarithm. So, but for the case of this class, I've stated the law and I assume that you already know this law. So we're just applying it. So this man, this particular one, will cut this away. Will cut this away, and then this man will cut this away. So what we are left with is just 3. So, and that's what we are asked to show. So show that yz is equals to 3. So we have done that. So we have just done that yz is equals to 3. Now the second part of the question says that hence find the numerical value of y and z when that minus that is equals to log 27 to base a. So let's quickly treat the second aspect of the question. So I'm going to assume this is not there. Now I'm going to start now. This man, this 3, so everything here is your y from the question we have been given. This is your y, and then everything here is your z from the question we have been given. So look at it. They said log y is equals to log x cubed to base a, and that's what we have here. And then z is equals to log a to base x, and that's what we have here also. So now I can move forward and say write log minus log a to z. So that is that. So we can also write, since the base is the same, I'll say log a y over z. Now we have been given that everything here, remember, everything in this question is given as log a log a 27. So if you look at it, this man is everything equals to log 27 to base a. So now I can equate the two. I can say log a y over z is equals to log a 27. So let's cut the two. The base, since the base is equal, since the base are the same, we can say that y over z is equals to 27. So that's it. We can say that our y is equals to 27z. That, let's call this a. Let's call this I2. Let's call that I2. So we also know that xy yz is equals to 3. we already proved that. We have already done that from the subsequent from the previous question that we solved. So let's call this 1 because we have already done that. That's our first equation. Now we already know our y. Our y from 2 substitute from 2 substitute y equals to 27z into I1. So what we have here now, we now have, so I can now have 27z into z is equals to 3. So we now have 27 z squared equals to 3. So z itself, z squared, is equals to 3 over 27. So which is 1 over 9. So my z itself is the square root of 1 over 9, which is same thing as plus or minus 3. So I can get my z, I can get my y. My y will now be equals to, which is 27z, the same thing as 27 into brackets 1 over 3 plus or minus 3, which is equals to plus or minus 9. So we have gotten the value for our x and our y and z. So our y and z is equals to 9, 3. Sorry, this is 1 over 3. There's a mistake here. 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 or minus 9 minus 1 over 3. So okay, let's leave that. I wish to make it small. So this is the solution to the question that we are asked to find. So let's call this part 2. Part 2 of the question. Is equals to log a to 7. So we have, so that's the solution to this particular question we are given. So I want to go over it and so I get what I've just done. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. So see you again in another video. Thank you.